So autumn's upon us and November's come, and it's time to stop and think about cleaning out your gutters. And if you look up at the gutter here in front of us, you can see that there's some weed growth coming in there. There are camellias growing over the gutter which have shed old leaves into the gutter, and around and about beech and oak tree leaves have blown in there as well. If you don't do anything about it, the gutter will eventually collapse, the water will overflow, it'll run down your wall, it'll cause damp problems in your house, it'll cause the plaster to peel off the wall, nasty brown patches of damp appearing inside, and all for the want of spending 5 minutes up a ladder doing a very simple job. So Tim and Jamie are now going to perform on this really quite simple job. So as we can see, there's really a lot of muck in this gutter, which would undoubtedly have caused trouble this winter if we hadn't seen fit to spend a few moments clearing it out. There's probably a good 1.5 inches of rotted leaves and bits and pieces of mess sitting there waiting to cause you a problem if you don't remember to do your gutters in the autumn.